it's tkmaxx's 25th birthday and I had the chance to celebrate with them by going on a huge shopping spree covering amazing departments within their store. I went to Stratford and Westfield and I shopped in the home section, the hair care, the skin, and of course the fashion. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to TK Maxx right with some of my tips, showing you guys the gems that I picked up on my spree. So it can be a little bit overwhelming when you first step into TK Maxx, as they literally have stuff everywhere. They have so many different departments, but I think that's one of the best things about it, as if you're on a family trip, you can literally send everyone to their own departments and everyone can come back with amazing gems. But today I was shopping for me, my home, and my skin. So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys everything I got. But the first tip is to make sure you always start in one section and you focus your attention there. Don't be in the fashion section thinking about the cooking section or the skincare. Literally focus your time on that one department. So the first place I went to was Modbox because they're all about the groovy young girl, and that is definitely me. I actually picked up this dress from there. I love it so much. I'm literally gonna wear it everywhere I go, on my travels, when I'm on a beach, at home, just chilling. And yeah, I just love this dress so much. It was so affordable, it's so cute, and it's just so different. It's something you wouldn't find in the usual retail store. I know how overwhelming shopping can be for some people, so that is why TK Maxx also have an online store. I literally didn't know this, but of course if you like to shop from home, then this is perfect for you, as you can still get the great deals and have it delivered to your home. Another great tip is to keep an open mind with going into TK Maxx. You can literally go there and be surprised by the amazing gems that you can find, so that is why you shouldn't go with any expectations. I find TK Maxx is that place to get unique finds where you can literally get from basics to really vibrant clothing that you wouldn't see anywhere. So it's really important to just allow yourself to be immersed in all the different kinds of clothing, the amazing shoes, and my favorite on this trip was for sure the homeware. I literally bought so many amazing pieces that I can't wait to put ice cream in and even decorate my hair with. So I'm going to talk you guys through some of the things I got. So the first thing that I got was this frame, and it was only $5.99. I'm a huge memory hoarder. I love collecting memories, especially on all of my trips. So I can't wait to put a really sentimental memory on this. I love the beautiful tiles. It's just so pretty, and it's really going to decorate and accessorize my home and go with the colorful vibe that I have going on. Something within my home that's so important to me is for all my guests to be able to kind of see a story and be able to tell, like, oh, this is from when you went to Kenya, or this is from when you went to India, and see it from the textures of my cushions or the pictures that I have on the wall. So I'm all about telling a story in my safe space, and that is why this frame is perfect for that. A really important thing for me in my home is scent. I love to unwind at night when I'm watching my favorite shows on Netflix, even journaling by having a candle or even incense. And I found this candle. It's white sage and thyme. It was only $6.99 and it's super big. I spent a good 5 minutes literally smelling every candle on all the shelves, as they had so many. So I picked up this one, and I also picked up this one. I love this one more so for the aesthetic, and this one for the scent. Oh, this one smells really good. I don't actually know what it is, but it's just like a mellow scent. It will just refresh your space, and that is why you need to go to TK Maxx and get your candles, guys. The beauty aisle was a dangerous place for me, as I literally wanted to buy everything from conditioners to eyeshadow palettes, but I picked up this gem. It's a tropical coconut body mist. I just love the packaging and the price. It was only $4.99. It says to indulge in our body mist made with fine fragrance, spray all over body and hair as needed for a light, refreshing, irresistible scent. I love how it's literally for the hair and the body. That's like 2-in-1, which is clutch for the summer in London or on your travels. So for the beauty section, they literally have everything from curly hair care to blonde hair care and so much more, even hair straighteners and blow dryers. This is why, guys, TK Maxx is for everyone, and we need to celebrate their 25th birthday together. So you guys better get to the store right now and pick up all your gems. The next thing I saw were these 2 gems that I didn't even know I needed, and they are silk scrunchies. When I saw them, I felt like all my hair problems were literally resolved. As now that my hair is growing out, the care of it is a little bit different. From sleeping out with it, now I actually have to tie it up because it's a lot bigger. So these are great as they don't damage your hair. They're super soft and they were super, super cheap. This, ladies and gentlemen, is gonna change the game. If you're gonna come to my house and we're gonna have breakfast, you're about to have pancakes served to you with a heart shape. I love this. I got so excited when I saw this. It was only £3.49, guys. Not even £3.50, $49. They just gave you that extra little discounted price. And yeah, this is great. I cannot wait to cook with this. It's just so pretty. The homeware section was for sure my own favorite, as literally everything was so cute and so affordable. So I'm going to be pulling up to all the parties and all the cute events in this little number. This lilac dress is everything. I love the color of it, the fit. This fabric is perfect for hugging your figure. And of course the slit in the thigh is clutch for just giving it that nice bold statement. It was only $12.99 and I'm literally going to wear it so many different ways. It can even be worn in the winter with some tights and a nice oversized cardigan, or in the summer with some sandals. So yeah, I'm all about this. And this is in the mod book section, so make sure you guys head over there if you want to look fly and you're young and you're cool. So yeah, I'm all about this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video on how to TK Maxx right. I can't wait to see all of you with your new gems, whether it's homeware or even clothing, even skin and hair care. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.